One word to describe Kuya Bars.
Oops! Teka lang!
Oops, teka lang.
Oops! Teka lang!
Oops, teka lang.
Oops, teka lang!
Oops! Teka lang!
Oops! Teka lang!
Friends, listen to this. Huwag niyong palagpasin to.
Whether you like it or you will love it.
Sige na, Pogi.
Ayan tayo eh.
Passionate.
Joker. Confident yan.
Dependable.
Bars is zealous.
Faithful servant of God.
Bars is full of energy.
Crazy.
Siyempre Pogi, di ba? Brother Bars is Pogi.
Brother Bars is Pogi!
Brother Bars is my Lodi. Very approachable. Is energetic.
Is humorous.
Brother Bars is influential. Brother Bars is Pogi.
Sige na, Pogi. Guwapo. Ano pa ba? Macho.
Brother Bars for me is a humble Pogi.
Brother Bars is pogging masyado.
Masarap. Kumain.
Kuya Bars is
Reliable.
and energetic.
Kuya Bars is energy.
Brother Bars is Pogi.
Brother Bars is thoughtful.
Brother Bars is MVP for me.
Brother Bars is a blessing.
A sweet tooth.
Brother Bars is a star.
Brother Bars is blessing.
Kuya Bars is inspirational.
Kuya Bars is...
Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious.
Brother Bars is inspiration.
One word to describe Kuya Bars, Pogi!
Bars, alam mo kung gaano kita kamahal, bro. Kasama si Jubel. Malapit kayo sa puso ko. You have a special place in my heart. And I'll always be here to support everything, all your endeavors. Huwag lang yung magnakaw ng bangko o gumawa na masama. Pero susuportahan kita, bro, kung saan mo man gustong pumunta at kung saan ka gustong dalhin ng Panginoon. Ninong mo ako, ha? I'll be here for you. God bless you, bro. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Brother Bars. I'm thankful to God for your life. I pray that your life may continue to be a living testimony of faith, courage, and unwavering service. So sa lahat ng mga to and every sermon that you will be preaching and every soul that you will uplift, you will reflect God's grace in powerful ways. May this new year bring renewed strength and deeper wisdom and abundant joy. Keep shining the light of Jesus in that part of the world because your calling is making an eternal impact. Wishing you anak, blessings beyond measure today and always. Happy birthday.
Today is May 2 and I know that today is Bars' birthday. Happy birthday, Bars! I wish you good health and wish ko sa iyo at panalangin ko sa iyo na may pagkaloob sa iyo ng Panginoon ang lahat ng mga wini-wish mo sa araw na ito on your special day. And I would like to thank you for inspiring many people on your preachings and doon sa every Sunday preaching mo sa the feast at sa mga posts mo, mga preachings mo sa social medias. Yan. So God bless you more and kahit hindi tayo masyadong nagkikita at nakakausap, you are always in my prayer. God bless you and happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Kuya Bars! Happy birthday to a man who lives to be a light for others. May your day be as filled with the same hope, love, and blessings that you so selflessly pour into the world. Keep inspiring because the best is yet to come.
Happy birthday, Brother Bars. Dalangin ko na patuloy kang gabayan ni Lord at ingatan at thank you for serving the Isdagupan. At lalo ko pang magkaroon ng magandang pangatawan at lalo kang i-bless ni Lord, lalo na yung pangarap sa buhay.
Brother Bars, wishing you all the best with Sis Jobel.
Hope and pray na ibigay na ni Lord yung matagal niyo ng wish. Good luck and God bless both of you.
To my friend, to my brother, to my mentor, Brother Bars, happy birthday po sa iyo. I'm so happy kung ano yung na-achieve mo ngayon. And always remember that my family love you so much. And always praying for you, to your wife, Sis Jobel, and to your family. And enjoy your day. Happy birthday. I love you, brother.
Just wanted to say I'm grateful for you. You're a great listener. You do anything for the people you care about. Good luck on your dreams, your goals. I know you can make it happen. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Brother Bars. Ang wish ko, syempre, all the best. At saka, ang prayers ko for your health, no? And then sa ministry natin, alam ko naman na grabe ang iyong passion to serve. So, yun lang. All my prayers para sa iyo. God bless. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Kuya Bars! And sana masaya ka ngayong araw na to. And sana maging masaya ka lagi. Maging masaya ka araw-araw. Pinagdarasal ko na magkaroon ka ng masaya at healthy. Healthy na buhay, masaya at healthy na heart and mind. And sana makuha mo na and sana ibigay na yung mga bagay na ipinagdarasal mo, ipinagdarasal ninyo ni Ate Jobel. And thank you so much dahil isa ka sa mga taong naging totoo sa akin na kahit ano man yung mga maling desisyon ko sa buhay, hindi mo ako ginudge. Maraming salamat dahil nakahanap ako ng isang totoo and very compassionate na kuya at kaibigan. Happy birthday!
Blessed happy birthday, asawa ko. So, yun nga, sa dami ng blessings na dumating sa buhay ko, ikaw ang pinaka-special. Thank you for being my strength, my peace, at kakampi, at minsan, syempre, kaaway din. Pray na bigyan ka pa ni Lord ng good health, happiness, at lahat ng desires ng heart mo. Deserve mo lahat ng magagandang bagay because you have the kindest heart. Thank you for loving me. And yun nga, you are a kind of husband anyone could never ask for. So, happy birthday again, asawa ko. Enjoy your day. You deserve to feel extra special.
Yan ang mga katangian ng nag-iisang Brother Bars Lumibaw.
Amen ba tayo dyan?
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 Amen na amen tayo dyan! Maligayang kaarawan!
Palapakan natin si Lord.
I love you so much.
God bless you more. Mama Mary loves you.